Welcome back to again another beekeeping video. Today I'm going to demonstrate what other thing do you follow after your sand trap success. In this video, this is a very important thing because I use my old empty beehive as a sand trap. Today is 5th May 2020. Yesterday evening I got a message from my friend. My sand trap has been success. Uh, the bee swarms has been calm the previous day evening. So now it's nearly 13 hours. So already gone. They I think they don't start their brood comb making process. So I do my usual procedure which I follow after swarm trap in beehive because I need to guide them as a systematic way to their brood comb process. So today I need to give a brood comb. Okay. This is the old empty bee box which I put as a swarm trap 1 month ago. Yesterday evening it has been success. Now almost 13 hours gone. So I need to put a brood comb in here because the bees don't know how to make their brood comb as a systematic way. They will build it as they like. I have already taken a brood comb from my previous old bee hive. Now what I am going to do, I am going to put it into this bee box before they building their combs. That will be very easy for our future management practices. Oh, this is heavy, very heavy. I think this is not a natural farming process. I think I think they have give up their previous nest and the all bees in come here. So I just need to use some smoker because there are two heavy bee colony here. You can see the bees bring their pollen, so which means they have already started sometime their brood making process. This is the thing which I want to see you. Now I think nearly 13 hours already gone, but they have started their brood comb making process. So that's why I told they. That's why I told we need to give a brood comb guide they as a systematic way. Now I am going to give this new brood comb for this bee colony, and you can see if you look closely this frame have a nectar layer and pollen layer and also 1 day old egg and no other pupae or larvae stage in here. This is the ideal brood combs which we want to supply bee SAM because this is very fresh and they will accept it definitely. queen gauge which is used to a Viscera indica, and I want to put it into the open site because the to prevent queen come out. Then other important thing is you can see this is not a very safe place to keep this beehive. So what I want to do, I want to make some safe stage for this to people put this bee box. Okay, now I have established a permanent stage in here, and I already put the bee box here. And also you can see I just move very small distance between old place to new place. It's nearly 1 feet, but you can see the still bees going the previous place.